Hey there, need help choosing between Setmore and Booksy for your business scheduling? Let's break it down in 2 minutes. First, Setmore. Setmore is a simple free online scheduling tool. It's great for small businesses like salons, tutors, or freelancers. You get a clean calendar to manage appointments, a booking page for customers to schedule themselves, and it works with Zoom and Square for payments. It's easy to use, and the free plan is solid for basic needs. The paid plan starts at $12 per user per month for extra features like text reminders. Now, Booksy. Booksy is built for beauty and wellness businesses like barbershops or spas. It's got a sleek app for booking appointments, sending automatic text and email reminders, and even marketing tools to attract clients. It integrates with Instagram and Facebook, which is awesome for promotion. Pricing starts at $21.99 per user per month, and there is no free plan, but you get a free trial. Let's compare. Price. Setmore wins for budget-conscious folks with its free plan and cheaper paid option. Booksy is pricier but offers more for beauty businesses. Ease of use. Setmore simpler for beginners. Booksy's app is slick but can feel complex at first. So which is better? Choose Setmore if you want a free or low-cost easy tool for any small business. Go with Booksy if you are in beauty or wellness and need marketing to grow your client base. Pick what fits your goals. Thanks for watching. Try both and see what works for you. Like and subscribe for more videos.